Shanghai TS Industrial Company Limited is headquartered in Shanghai, China, with a marketing center located in Taikang, Suzhou. Benefiting from our strategic geographic location, we have developed a mature and stable supply chain, enabling us to provide high-quality products at competitive prices. With over 20 years of industry experience, we are recognized for our professionalism and reliability. Our factory covers an area of 12,000 square meters and is equipped with modern production facilities, including fully automatic CNC cutting machines, high-frequency welded fin tube production lines, laser welded fin tube production lines, and extruded fin tube production lines. Guided by customer needs, we are committed to providing high-quality fin tubes and heat exchanger solutions to the global thermal industry. Our company has a professional technical team of experienced engineers who can design and manufacture customized heat transfer products to meet diverse customer requirements. Since our establishment, we have remained committed to quality as our foundation and customer needs as our focus, building long-term stable partnerships with many well-known companies both domestically and internationally, and continuously providing reliable industrial products and solutions to customers worldwide. Let us move forward together. Our main products include, but are not limited to, aluminum fin tube, including extruded fin tube, spiral wound fin tube, LLL, KLM type fin tube, embedded, GA type fin tube. Efficient heat transfer solutions for a wide range of industrial applications. Next, we would like to introduce our welded fin tube products, including laser welded fin tube, high-frequency welded solid fin tube, high-frequency welded serrated fin tube, square H, rectangle HH fin tube, studded, nail head pipe, and longitudinal fin tube. Welded fin tubes are designed for superior heat transfer efficiency, strong fin-to-tube bonding, long service life, and reliable performance in boilers, economizers, and various industrial heat exchanger systems. Next, elliptical finned tube, including hot-dipped galvanized elliptical fin tube, brazed elliptical finned tube, brazed single-row flat-finned tube, manufactured through hot-dip galvanizing or brazing processes, ensuring strong bonding and good corrosion resistance. Next, heat exchanger components, including U-bend heat exchanger tube, U-bend tube bundle, tube sheet, baffle plate, manufactured through precision bending, drilling, and CNC machining processes. Strict dimensional control and careful fabrication ensure accurate assembly, structural strength, and reliable performance in heat exchanger systems. Next, we would like to introduce our boiler pressure parts, including membrane wall panel, superheater tube, and helical coiled pipe. These products ensure efficient heat transfer, high pressure resistance, and reliable boiler operation. Next, enhanced heat transfer tubes, including inner finned tube, integral low fin tube, corrugated tube, internal ribs tube, manufactured through precision rolling and forming processes, which create enhanced internal or external surfaces on the tube. This increases the heat transfer area and improves overall thermal efficiency. Our products are widely used in the following industries: petrochemical and refining industry, power generation, chemical industry, oil production, gas production, and compression. While ensuring high product quality, we also believe that transportation is the second life of our products. Therefore, we adopt careful packaging and reliable logistics solutions to ensure every product arrives safely and in perfect condition. Choosing us means choosing reliability and peace of mind. Let us move forward together and create greater value for the future.